Let us write a program to find factorial of a number. Factorial of a number. So we have to find the factorial of a number. For that we have to write a program. So you might have studied this. What is a factorial? We know that if I say what is the factorial of 4, I say it is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. If I say what is the factorial of 3, it is 3 into 2 into 1. In other words, we can say the factorial of n is n then into n minus 1, then again into n minus 1 there till we reach 1. So this can be the one of the ways of doing this program is using loops. So because we have to do a multiplication, then again a multiplication, then again a multiplication until we reach 1. So this can be done using loops. So we can write here like this, and we will initially use since we have to find a factorial of a number, we will put a number n of which we have to find the factorial. Then we will take a I which will be used in loops. Okay, then we ask the user to print, please enter the number. So we need the number for which we have to find factorial. Then we can write this percentage d, input that number using and, let us store that number in n. Now we have a number with us, that is n, and we have to find the factorial of this number. So for that, obviously we will use a loop here. So what we will use a variable I. Okay, since I have to find the factorial of n, so I will start from n and I will stop at 1, because I have to do n, then multiply it by n minus 1, and then again multiply by a minus 1 of that, and move till we reach 1. So we will start at n, then we will move to the point we reach 1. So if we have to find factorial of 3, n is 3, so we will start at 3, then next will be 2, next will be 1. So I have to do it like this, greater than 1. The loop will run till the point we reach 1 is greater than or equal to 1. So we will start, and because we are moving in a reverse direction, we are going from 3 to 2 to 1, we are writing greater than or equal to 1, and we are moving in a reverse direction, so we will write I minus minus. What will be the contents of the loop? What we have to do, we have to do this n multiplied by n minus 1 and then repeat that thing. So since n is here I, variable is I, we have to multiply this variable with some other variable. Let us call that variable as f factorial. So we need to take another variable here, f, which will initially be 1. So if I multiply this by 1 and store it in f again, so the same logic like earlier. So what I am doing, I am multiplying this variable. I'm taking a variable f which is 1, then multiplying it by n. So what will I get? I will get n back. So let us say if n is 3, so if I multiply 1 by 3, I will get 3. So this f will store 3. F will be overwritten and it will store 3. Next time the value of I will be 2, because this is I minus minus, the loop says I minus minus. So the next time it will be 2. So 2 into the previous value of f is 3. So 3 into 2. So now this is making sense. We have to do this 3 into 2 when we find factorial. So it will be 6. So 6 will be stored in f. Good. Then again an increment will be the decrement of I will be there. It will become 1. So this is permitting 1 is less than greater than or equal to 1, right? And 1 will be multiplied by f, which was 6. 6 into 1 is 6. So again f will store 6. Then again there will be a decrement. I will become, this will become I will become 0. The condition says 0 is greater than or equal to 0. The condition will become false and loop will break. So since the loop will break, we are done. Then we can go outside the loop and just print our answer. So we can directly write the factorial is percentage d, comma, what is it? It is stored in f. So the factorial of the number will be this thing, f. If I run this program, it is asking for a number of which I have to find the factorial. So for example, if I give 4, we know the factorial will be 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which here should be 24. So the answer is 24. I can again run the program and can find the factorial of any number. For example, if I have to find the factorial of 10, so it is this large, 10 into 9 into 8 up to 1. So this program will find the factorial for me.